Hi, I'm Dallas Mount with the Ranching for Profit School. I want to give you a quick rundown of what we're going to be doing at the Economics Planning Workshop. We're going to be covering the economic planning process that we go through at the Ranching for Profit School, and the workshop is only open to alumni of the Ranching for Profit School. The economic planning process at the school covers everything from the breeding herd statistics chart all the way through livestock valuation, trading account, calculating gross product, gross margins, all the way down to the profit or loss account. This is a great opportunity to put your economic plan together for the coming year. Here's what it looks like for an example ranch that would have gone through the process. First thing is the ranch is going to break it down into divisions and enterprises. This ranch has two divisions, a livestock division and a farming division. Inside the livestock division, there's three enterprises: cows, steers, and sheep. The farming division just has one enterprise, hay. For each of those enterprises, we will help you calculate the gross product, the value of production. So here we've done that for cows, steers, and sheep, with the cows contributing $510,000 of gross product, the sheep $165,000, and the haymaking business $180,000 of gross product. Next step is to do direct costs. We'll walk you through how do you figure direct costs for each of those enterprises. So here they've got direct costs for each of those, and that gives us a gross margin. Now it's not just the total gross margin you want, but the gross margin per unit. That shows the economic efficiency of the production unit inside each of these enterprises. We're going to use gross margin per standard animal unit for the livestock enterprises. So here cows are contributing $428 per each standard animal unit within the cow enterprise. Steers are $100 and the sheep are $383. That allows us to compare the economic efficiency of each of these enterprises side by side. We then do divisional overheads. At the workshop, we're going to walk you through calculating your overheads, from business overheads to asking the question, are some of these divisional overheads? So what are the rules, what's the test, and how do we decide which is which? At the end of this, we'll have a divisional profit or loss, and then we'll tack on the business overheads. For this ranch, it's $450,000 of business overheads that we need to service. So this ranch with all these is making a $75,000 profit at the end of the year. It's one step to get the numbers done, but then going the next step of what do the numbers mean and what are we going to do with the numbers? So that's really where the power is put in the hands of management.